Hi, let me show you what happened before all this, right? So let me show you here. So this was our forecast on gold right here in the morning. So this was shared in the morning. So you can see that I was looking at this as a a rally based drop supply zone with a break of structure right here. And then you can see that the market left behind big momentum candles and the market went down, right? And then the market was now coming back to this area. And I was looking at this as a potential level of liquidity as the market was also just taking out the Asian session. So primarily I was waiting for the market to take out the Asian session, take out this liquidity right here and come to my area right here. However, so this is what is happening now. A few minutes later, I wasn't on the chart and I was able to just check up on the chart right now. I just found out that gold is at this particular moment right here. So God has actually taken out this Asian session. I was looking for it to take out, and also the market has actually also taken out this liquidity which was anticipated right here. And now the market has almost come to my predefined area of value right here by a few pips, right? And now the market seems to be actually reversing before actually touching my area. So what do you do in this scenario, right? Do you just jump into the chart and hope that this is going to continue to go in a direction, or you actually wait until the market comes to your predefined POI? So you can see that the market is already reacting pretty nice from this level right here before touching my zone. And now, yeah, so right here we're just going to wait and see how it happens. So if you go back to the daily time frame, let me just show you my analysis before all that. So you can see that overall, of course, the market has been going to the upside, but we've been having this downtrend for some time now, and it seems to be actually going on strong, right? So when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you could see that the market left behind these big momentum candles right here. So I was actually expecting the market to come back to this area right here. Hence, I was able to share this forecast in our private community right here. So you can see that exactly like I anticipated, the market actually came to me this level and now reacting. That's what you are seeing on the lower time frame. Now we're having this reaction right now. So the question is that, is this market going to continue to go to the downside and we get left behind, or it's actually going to go back into this area? So let me tell you why I don't like entering trades like this, right? So I might enter right now with the bigger stop loss, and guess what happens? The market might actually continue to reverse and continue to go to the upside, and I would have lost out. So for example, this would be like 60 pips, right? Almost like double my risk, and the initial stop loss was like 28 pips. So in such scenarios, I just let it go, right? I just let it go because I might enter right now, and guess what? The market just reaches somewhere at this level and continue to go back in against me, and I'll be in a loss, which I should have avoided, right? So these things are going to happen, guys. So the temptation is not to try and catch every move that the market moves in a direction, but you want to do it the right way, so that you build good habits, so that when the right time, when the right setup comes along, you'll be able to take advantage of it, right? So I just want to hear your opinion, guys. What do you think? What do you do in such scenarios? So for me, I would prefer to actually wait it out, because right now it's London session. New York session. In New York session right now, and for me, it kind of slows down as the day goes. All right. So for me, I like to trade during London session. So for now, I think I'm just going to let this trade run, and if I miss out, well and good. But if I don't, and the market comes back to my area, then that will be really, really amazing. So yeah, let's see. Maybe some potential area where the market can react from is this level right here, or this level. Then the market comes back to this area. We don't know what's going to happen. So let me know in the comment section. What do you think? What do you think is the right thing to do here? And what would you do if you're in my situation? Or you just jump in on this trade and grind since you had already analyzed it, or you let it come to your predefined area of value? So let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, the analysis and everything, the forecast was really on point. But let me see. Let me know in the comment section. What would you do? And let's hear from you. I'll be reading all the comments. Make sure you let me know in the comment section. All right. So guys, cheers.